Hello, welcome. So today we're going to be looking at BECE 2019 Basic Science Past Question, Question 21. BECE 2019 Basic Science Past Question, Question 21. Which of the following is the use of bitumen? Which of the following is the use of bitumen? A as fuel, B for cooking, C for road surfacing, and D to produce lubricants. Now I want us to understand that bitumen is a form of what? Hydrocarbon. Bitumen is an example of hydrocarbon. It's an hydrocarbon. Bitumen is an hydrocarbon. That is, it is made up of what? Carbon and hydrogen. Carbon and what? Hydrogen. So bitumen is a form of hydrocarbon. That you get bitumen as a product of what? Of crude oil. When crude oil undergoes what? Fractional distillation, you get what? Bitumen. Now, after crude oil undergoes fractional distillation, so you get crude oil. From crude oil, you get what? Bitumen. You get bitumen from crude oil. Now, after crude oil undergoes fractional distillation, what happens? You have all products, and one of these products is bitumen. Now, each of these products like has their own use. Now, bitumen is not used as fuel, like I said. No, it is not used for fuel. You know what fuel is? Fuels are those substances that we use to power our machines. So bitumen is not used to power machines. It's not used for fuel. Likewise, it's not used for what? For cooking. No, bitumen is not used for cooking. C says bitumen is used for road surfacing. Yes, you notice your roads today. You see that your roads are dark and shining. It is bitumen that is used to surface these roads. It gives the road the surface, the shining surface, and the luster that makes it what? Pleasant for the use of the what? Our motor vehicles. So bitumen is used for what? Road surfacing. Now this says to produce lubricants. No, bitumen are not used to produce lubricants because what? They are not like, they do not have this viscous property. It's that it does not have the viscous property, this viscous nature. This viscous nature. It does not have the viscous nature, so it cannot be used for lubricants. So from this, you see that our answer is C, which is what? For road surfacing. So bitumen is used for road surfacing. C is our answer. Thank you very much. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more of our past questions.